Are you tired of traditional methods of earning money? Let's explore 5 weird ways to make money using ChatGPT and AI. First up, turn your creativity into cash by designing AI-generated t-shirts with unique phrases and images. Sell them online and watch your profits soar. Next, try your hand at writing with the help of ChatGPT. Write poetry, short stories, and even novels. You never know, you might become the next big author. Looking for something more physical? Use ChatGPT to design a workout routine that is tailored specifically to your client's needs. Help them achieve their fitness goals and earn money at the same time. Are you a music lover? Why not create your own AI-generated music? With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. Who knows, your music might be the next viral hit. Lastly, turn your love for food into a lucrative business. Use ChatGPT to create unique and delicious recipes. You can even start your own food blog and share your creations with the world. ChatGPT and AI are revolutionizing the way we earn money. These 5 weird ways are just the beginning. Let your creativity and imagination run wild. Don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to making money. With ChatGPT and AI, the sky's the limit. Try one or all of these weird ways to make money and see where it takes you. Who knows, you might just discover your new passion. Join the ChatGPT and AI revolution and start making money in unconventional ways. It's time to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 job. Get started today and watch your bank account grow. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT and AI. Unleash your creativity and start making money in ways you never thought possible. The future is here, and it's waiting for you.